Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about how to start forex trading. That is the basic requirement for someone to start trading. First, you need education. That is basis of forex trading, which is we have the pips, lot size, currencies, margin, leverage, and many more. You have to understand these and learn them before you start trading. Now, you don't need to join an academy to start learning forex. You can do that on YouTube with a lot of free videos out there. And also, after knowing your basis of forex trading, you have to know the trading platform you need for your analysis and also for you to take your trade. That is where you're going to analyze the market and also take your trades. The best trading platform out there are the TradingView, the MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4. The TradingView is mostly used for market analysis, where the MT5 or the MT4 is where you're going to take your trade. The MT5 or the MT4 is where you're going to link your broker to trade with rare money or your rare account. So you have to get the MT5 installed on your mobile phone or MT5. You also have DS Trade or C Trader. They are all trading platforms for you to link your broker to them so they can trade live accounts. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. The next one is broker. So a broker is a financial service company that provides traders with access to platforms for buying and selling foreign currencies. They act as intermediaries between investors and the forex markets. There are a lot of scam brokers out there, so make sure you choose the best and trusted brokers for your trade. And the last thing you're going to need is a trading plan. So after getting all the above available, learn new strategies, master them, and make sure you start with demo account to build your trading strategy. And also you have to backtest your trading strategy so that you know what you're going to do in the market. Otherwise, the market is going to take money from you each and every time.